Welcome back to the first episode on my channel. The first episode of Fishing Planet, and it's season 1, episode 1 of Fishing Planet. Me and my brother Jason, we're gonna be playing some Fishing Planet on camera together. See, I have a mouse, Jason doesn't, so if mine's so much better, come to my channel. I don't have one made, but I will make one, like, right now. Ready? Nope, I'm not logged in yet. It's loading.
We're gonna go to the dock and fish off of that.
I got an 81 overall. Oh, that's crazy.
Yes, you do.
Alright, I'm logged in, and I
gotta add new friends.
New friends?
You have to go to the dock and do it.
Oh, okay.
You said new friends only. New friends only. You clicked it. Then go fishing.
Now go fishing?
Yeah, I should see you.
Doesn't say I'm here.
Room 2. No, room 1.
Yes, don't mind. How you doing? Okay, while my brother is trying to get here, I will fish.
Alright, I'm on yours.
Oh, you are? Okay, I see.
Hold up. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, where you? Oh, found you.
Hey, brother. Alright, how do I... Yeah! Alright.
People.
Oh, with a mouse. Turn it down too. Jason, really? Oh, I have a fish.
Let me make sure I don't cast. Alright, perfect.
I have a fish on. He's just not biting yet. Hopefully he doesn't snap my line this time. Oh crap, there's a whole glare. Well, I need to turn my brightness up after this. I'll pause the video real quick.
So yeah, guys, I am going for basses.
I'm going for really anything.
Oh,
he got it. Oh, let's get it. It's only bluegill.
I'm going for
Small
bass.
bluegill. Oh, a weird sunfish. Or whatever that is.
Red
ear. A red ear?
Yeah, you can get a fine for that
Or
if you don't got a license.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
So yeah, that was my brother recording right next to me. So we're fine with it. So yeah, guys, I'm going for spot any type of bass.
Okay, sorry for the weird cut. I don't know what I caught, but I got a bunch of new hooks and stuff. A red ear sunfish, whatever that is. I'm just new to this game and I'm trying to play. Ooh.
Oh, okay. That's how I have 2 rods.
There's so much new stuff. I might have to go to the World Shop. So each video will be 15 minutes or shorter, because our our screen recorder software is not that good, so we can only record 15 minutes a day. But I will try to post 2 videos a day.
So this video, I'm gonna be trying to catch bass and catfish at the same time. So yeah.
Alright, so I will try to post on weekends 2 a day. On weekdays, maybe 2 a day. Maybe. Most times 1. Oh, got him. Wow, he's sent him flying. Hey, oh.
Just release. You have to release it.
What if I don't?
You're gonna get a $1,000 fine. $100 fine.
Alright, I released it. I mean, I could have tried my luck there. Okay, so let's go fishing again. Wow. Oh, perfect cast.
So guys, we're gonna be sitting here waiting for some.
Oh, I got a trophy bluegill. Yo, how come I'm getting so much more fish than you?
Because it tells you, it doesn't for me.
You didn't catch no fish.
Hold up, guys. So I followed this Blacksmith 734. It is getting annoying. Trying to like help my brother out since he's new to the game.
Oh.
I'll go to people.
Yay!
And I'll press this.
I think I caught a shiner. Nope, this bluegill. How do I get different fish? Do I have to buy new bait? Do I have to buy new bait to get different fish?
No. Unless I'm gonna send you a gift.
I have red worms. So.
Bruh. The only thing you caught is a shiner. Bruh, I'm dead.
Who, me?
Yeah, bruh.
Well, I mean, I'm not that good.
No, I was not meant to.
Oh,
that was close. To send you a gift. I tried to. So yeah, I tried to send my brother a gift. And I'm back with it.
I might go to the shop, the world shop.
We're gonna go for it.
Real in real quick. Oh, no!
It's super. Yeah, I do have some blue.
Bro, can you move your rod out of here?
You just gotta go on the other side of you if you're having a problem with it.
Baits. Oh. Baits. Let's click bait. See, they only have 2 bait. So.
No, you have to like go to the world shop.
Alright, how do I do that?
Press lead.
I'll lead, right. Alright, I should get a lot of money here. Hey, got $70. See, I'm making money out here. Alright, we're traveling. What is this?
So yeah, guys, I'm letting. Oh dang! I had a fish. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm gonna go to the shop.
I probably got 3 more.
Oh, I can get cheese. What does cheese do? Is cheese
it's a catfish bait.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna buy a few of them. 2. I buy 50 each time.
If you go to New York, you can rent a kayak.
150. Okay.
Alright. So
On
guys,
boats.
we are on level 7 or 8.
Oh, those cost a lot.
So yeah, they do.
Those
You can rent them for $950.
Rent? No, I want to buy.
That's gonna cost a lot of money.
I already have baits. Lures. Can I buy a lure?
Yeah.
Ooh. What is this lure attract?
Bass.
This one.
Bass. They
This
all trap crappie.
What about this
bass.
one?
Bass, crappie, everything. Bass or crappie or bluegill.
He missed the field goal.
Dude.
I'm gonna buy each one of those.
What you eat, Bobby?
Okay, and now thermal tech. What is this? Oh, I'm gonna buy some new hooks.
So yeah, guys, I am waiting for a strike.
What is this? What does this hook do?
It's just a hook.
What do different hooks do?
Catch different fish.
Okay, I'm
Not
gonna
really.
I'm gonna buy every single hook.
By the way, if you go to places just leave automatically, you're wasting your money. That's what I did. This dude just wasted $2,200. Man, I'm going.
Oh, just stop.
Gun in his hand.
Okay,
Way
I'm
back,
gonna go
baby.
to tools and equipment. What does this do?
Wait a minute,
What does this do? I'm gonna need to go online. Alright, what is this one? Okay, what is this one? Oh, that's the $200 line. Oh.
Oh, get him!
Alright, I'm gonna buy 2 of those.
No,
can I buy good reel? Dude, I have so much money. Dude, what happened to all your money, Jason?
I wasted it.
Okay. Alright, now I got a tool.
Dang it, it's too late now.
Boom. Oh, hobby gear. Boom. Okay.
Boom. The thing go brrrr.
Alright, so how do I... Which hook is the best?
These nuts.
Alright, Jason.
Oh, just kidding. I just got a snag. That is great.
Yo, what is this? Don't show hints. That is so annoying.
Got another snag. That is great.
Stop talking so loud.
I get angry, right? I'm saying if the music is too loud, I'm sorry. This is my brother's controlling the music. We are listening to Logic. Logic is a good artist.
Alright, so how do I...
That was way too much of...
Oh, cheese? Yeah, cheese is so much better. Alright. Oh, I can use these. Oh, I go to 2. Alright. What if I go like that? I must have put rod first. How do I go back to... Oh, here we go. Alright.
My bad if I didn't catch anything this episode. It's just the way it is. Let's see something before I have to end the video in 3 minutes.
Alright, and then I will...
It is that low, so I'm going to turn it to...
Hey, are you a dog? Alright.
Oh!
And then... Alright, and how do I find my lures? Oh my god!
You have to go to that lures right there.
Okay. I'll be back. Okay. We will have to end the video very soon, okay? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, tell your friends about everything. And if you do, it just helps the channel, you know? Okay. Okay, sorry this is a short video, but I will cut my video right here. I will record another one, like right now, but I will see you dudes in the next video. Hey!
So that's it for the end of the video, guys. Like this video, tell all your friends to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, do all that. So, peace!